have good people in the persona of Congressman Leviste, same goes with Kiko Barsaga, who is actually very brave about exposing what's really happening, you know. And kung nakikita naman ng Malacanang that the people's sentiments align with their vision itong mga batang-batang kongresista na to, I think the government should also not be oblivious to the demands of the public. Greater scrutiny, and at the same time, wag nilang iset aside, wag nilang baliwalain. Ang nangyayari kasi nababrush aside lahat itong mga isinisawalat nila when in fact these are very integral matters that will really shed light into the issue. Kaya yun nga, nagkakaroon ng impression yung iba sa ating mga kababayan na maaring may mga takipan na nangyayari kasi ito nga, no, maliwanag na, nandito na yung mga files. What the government just need to do is to scrutinize them well, investigate it further, and then eventually file the necessary cases, no? Because, you know, Manong Ted, para sa akin itong issue ng flood control na to is not really that difficult to begin with. Kasi nga, the paper trails are there, the allegations that were made, the projects are there, the ghost projects and the substandard ones are there. So you just need to really, kumbaga, uncover them. And ito nga, may mga nag-uncover na, pero mukhang pilit ibinabalik ng gobyerno yung takip, no? Para hindi talaga sumambulat at hindi lumabas yung katotohanan. And I think this is what the public is demanding for a long time because justice will always be equated with the truth. No? And for as long as wala sa atin yung katotohanan, hindi natin makakamit yung tunay na hustisya. And this becomes the cornerstone of trust. You know? Kaya mababa yung trust is because hindi ibinibigay sa atin yung katotohanan.
Ano ang masasabi